This is the Cargo Connect Challenge Set. The challenge set comes in this box that contains the mission models, challenge mat, and miscellaneous pieces. Now I'm going to unbox what's in the challenge set. Alright, I have opened up my challenge set to see all the parts that are inside of it. So I have the 3M dual lock fasteners, and on the mat there are special little squares that show you where to put this dual lock to place your mission models. A good thing to do once you open up your challenge set is to sort the bags by their numbers. The numbers correspond to the mission models you will build. The team should build the models very carefully using the building instructions. You will find those building instructions online. You will find a QR code on the mat and in the robot game rulebook that will take you to where the building instructions are located. If you follow the engineering notebook, the team is directed to build their mission models in sessions 1 through 4. In bag 17, you will find some tiles that say Cargo Connect. These tiles are for the team members, the small square ones, and then we also have some coach pen tiles. So these are not used within the robot game, but they're for the team and you as the coach to use as you want to.